Model, 2020 Mercedes-Benz Vito 114 Pure 2.2 Cdi Automatic Crew Cab needs repair, no VAT bargain. Body, blue, crew cab. Mileage, 109,463. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651,136 HPB. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,495 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.